I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can fix the issue of Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So in order to log in into your account, if you have turned on your two-factor authentication, you need to have that verification code. And if Roblox is not sending you that, then what you can do is on the login page of Roblox, you can scroll a bit down and you can see the help option. Click on it. From help, you want to click on Roblox accounts. And from under Roblox account, click on where it says add two-step verification to your account. Once you click on that, scroll all the way down and you will see the option called issue with two-step verification. You want to click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now you can see the customer support option in blue color. You want to click on that. Once you click on it, it'll take you to this page. Now on this page, you need to fill this form up correctly. Over here, enter your Roblox ID or your username of your Roblox ID, enter your first name, and then enter your email address over here. Entering your email address, what you need to do is enter the email address again to confirm it. And over here, you want to select whichever device you want. And over here, you want to choose account hacked or can't log in. Click on it. And over here where it says please select, click on it. Click on where it says two-step verification. Once you do that, over here, enter your problem. Like my two-step verification code, I'm not receiving it. That's why I'm not able to log in into my account. Can you help me fix this issue so I can log into my Roblox account? I can provide you any details you want. If you clearly state your issue over here, explaining your problem, and once you write that down, click on submit. Once you submit it, Roblox staff will view it. Once they view it, they'll reply to you on this email. So wait for 2 or 3 days and keep checking your email. And once they reply, they will tell you how you guys can fix your issue. So that's how you guys can fix your two-step verification code not receiving problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.